Oh, BBI fine.
Utimi die.
Oh, BBI okay.
Wachinya oya.
Oh, Debbie. Now me just lose match and me and shall nyame ya bi ho.
I say enemo ho afa
intino Charlie. Yeah.
Say you my Arsenal for no.
Oh, but Arsenal
for ya nyamo ya.
Arsenal for put there some omo de if they manage to do their things so be ya mo.
Bro. First na Manchester anko yi no. Betu ani bia na abo 1. Me hetan bia one na wo me phone so. Ade enche da. E bia so honam ya oya. Edion. I feel for you guys.
Rich, I say and not much no. Even beyond the tactics, beyond the formation, what I mean, forget about there were nyema baku mienu bi me observe about match no. Say in psychology we have something called attributional conflict. Attributional conflict. And now your ball game ni we and you bisa Liam Rosinia. What was wrong with the team? After immediately you say he wanted to see some desire, some spirited performance from the team. And you could be sir Abrantia Chaloba. So what is going on? Also say Charlie, Wajia to say the season has been a very tiring one. Players no break. Players no. Oma break. Liam Rosinia is attributing the defeat to lack of spirited performance. Chaloba is attributing the defeat to tiredness in camp. So the mismatch between the two situations no and your friend attributional conflict until what that will create now in the team and is both the playing body and the coach do not trust themselves moving forward. Do not trust themselves moving forward. Because you have gone to throw us under the bus. You as a manager, we expected say you would defend us as you have always done. No? You have thrown us under the bus. You have exposed us.
He's sick and tired of always defending the players.
But Rich,
when I mean say
but doesn't mean that you do that in front of in Sem4 and the whole world to expose your team. In the 5 games now can walk away. This is not the time for that. You know that whatever happens, you need to grind results. Now, and now should have been the starting point for Chelsea, because the gap between Chelsea now and Manchester United are all 4th place 10 points.
13. I got 13.
Okay.
No, I'm losing.
No, you're losing. Everyone said 13. Yeah. The gap between Chelsea now and 10th place, 12th place, just 2 or 1 point. Rich. The worst Chelsea performance since 1993. Also, obi tie me obeka since 1993 dey this year. That 93 season, no, we lost to Manchester United 1-0. Omu free on money Manchester City boy Man City show 3-0. E free on any Everton ko boy omu share 3-0. And any Newcastle boy omu share 1-0. And any Ipswich Town boy omu share 1-0. Consecutive 5 games, we lost all the games. Ayan sheba ko kran. Ebina say no. But Rich, an interesting thing from that season, 93-94 season, and say, even though we had a very bad record, 5 games to us, we still went ahead to play the FA Cup final in that season, 93-94. And now Chelsea is heading for FA Cup semi-final against Leeds United. I be on this weekend. But that semi-final, that final now, FA Cup 94, no, you lose against Man United 4-0. Now that we have at least that FA Cup semi-final to salvage the season for us, no, how is Chelsea going to arrange themselves in terms of mentality to face that game? Because over 5 games now, we haven't scored. Worst record repetition of what happened in 93-94. But can they get themselves together to play against Leeds United? Because, Rich, to me, it looks like that is the only hope for Chelsea this season. And some no, Edosun, I may not get the time to elaborate on all of them. But the person may kakra at least Chelsea fans or TMA, at least most of them have lost hope. But yeah, for any infantry that FA Cup semi-final against Leeds United. Oh, Rich. And only in the area, no.
Say no, pa. Yes, I know. Say even time I Chelsea cry out there, no. We shall Brighton, no mshamo.
Yeah.
But I know I shall no mshamo, no. And yes, I can. Where they are, Brighton is the ball game. I see what we training Chelsea to their own half.
Omunya ball na.
Chelsea J ball na. They press the players. No matter the balls and I mean, so bad.
And one thing and
so bad.
I am a fair power with Brighton football on my boy and say when they wanted to play from the back, it was clear. Say the struggle was not about how to progress the ball. They wanted to break down Chelsea for structure. Yeah. It was a goalkeeper BP. Only defenders be 1-2-1-2. Now for Chelsea shape, now the then when they begin to progress the ball, almost for Chelsea to say flow, they just pass through. Rich, Chelsea are in a very difficult position in terms of availability of players.
Kupama.
What's your defense? What are you starting from defense?
Okay.
Rhys James in your only a club captain. Ojinage Mua. Sometimes his reaction sometimes would give the players something to look forward to and say that okay, yes, let's follow the lead of our captain. Levi Colwill the whole season on ball match. Yeah. And we know the influence Levi Colwill has on this team. Shrenimho, Estevao is unavailable. Hamstring, Cole Palmer, fitness levels, and yet this season. Nipa washa good do amaye this season. Joao Pedro na ye counting on him say Ebian Kobeba back no. Both Man United game any this game or more. So yes, Metiasia said Chelsea no the issues are a lot. But in Kaya were these players available? At least Rich game na ye bono would have seen some difference.
So
the influence of Kopama at least.
And until I know more kase. So coach in the choir. Coach no kwa sporting directors no yempa mom. Do you know the reason why? Now Chelsea my problem back up a goal scoring. And I'm going for Joao Pedro didn't buy.
Yeah.
Joao Pedro is not a typical striker. On no Brighton no on your out and out striker.
Yeah.
A goal soon is not your kind of ball no. Satan one to Jackson ho.
So there be Uncle Liam
Delap. The lap. No. Player ve no usua de. No. Yemfa no me solve problem eso.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Liam the lap. Me se me kra me kra me nyedwe me ade che.
That's the way. That's the way last was aka.
Only present back. Na odi awaka kan kre. And no again the entire 90 minutes now we no. Tama wo film no de ye yiri film do de ye tama no obobo ni bi no. Only presence.
Rich Liam Delap made the same can say he's not a Chelsea standard. Even after the season, no.
So bad. So bad.
So Rich, the situation now, no.
Coach Nana, Momanka at the end.
Oh, Debbie. On say now no yent me pamono.
Oh yeah, hold them anymore.
Because
now it won't make sense.
Obia was 6 years contract there. And Pamela CC now Obia every year annually he makes at least £4 million into Pamela CC, which means you're going to pay him at least nothing less than £24 million.
Anya shade Yamro's Jackson Ben Jackson go on this but Jackson
in terms of confidence, yes, if he
hold that play,
yes.
Oh,
it's a very sad situation now. I don't know Rebecca or Haya say. I wouldn't be shocked. Say it would not just be a consensus between Mpenyifono at the top hierarchy. Say Yempamo Liam Rosinia. The players themselves would have had a meeting. They would agree also with hierarchy. Say the way Anyama AC Kono. Yes, Liam Rosinia came mid-season. He hasn't played pre-season with us. But the direction of the club and how the results are not coming through and how he has thrown the team under the bus. That is what will be the consensus. it would not just be a top hierarchy agreement. The players themselves would have also come in to speak. And now here fans, no, reaction after the full-time whistle. I mean, you can say that they have totally given up. Totally given up. And me, I will not be shocked. Say Chelsea will finish the season 10th or 12th. I will not be shocked. Europe. Also, going to next season, no team that has finished 10th or 12th will attract star players. No. Yeah. Unless you find a way to convince them, say, resurrected project. No. Because this project, I don't see what exactly Chelsea can achieve with this project.
Yeah, you know. We know baby saying.
Also, Man City, any Burnley, Bebo.
Yeah.
Rich, I don't know, maybe or how. In fact, me post a video, no reactions, baby. I'm on for Casada, they're being us now. They will do it. They will look. Rich, me, I was one of the guys who thought Arsenal could win the league. But ene, se Man City born who modern Burnley. Omun Jintum say it's over.
Arsenal for Jintum.
Oh, Rich.
How is this season?
It's not
City bar 5. I go be 5.
Rich, the psychological impact of the victory that will happen for Man City today will have a more serious implication on Arteta and the Arsenal team, no?
Because I mean,
that is where the panic will rise to crescendo.
Me TV home. City share.
Good.
Now I mean that you know money na no.
Level points.
In terms of points.
Yes. Now we will go.
Then you start to ask questions to one kasa home.
Yes.
And then so they say City question more good.
As mean that, which means they will go
ahead of Arsenal.
Of course.
Yeah,
so you can imagine the toll it will take on them.
Okay.
And rising from there back to win your remaining games, knowing that you have 3 London derbies in the mix. Rich, I've said it. Arsenal, it is over for them.
Insurance of 4.5. As a